Hello, this is Norbert, energy engineer, and explaining today how to save 99% on your heating costs at home with electric clothes. Or you do it yourself with a wire, with the heating wire of the toaster, or some other very thin wire which you can buy, or you buy just the clothes complete, to your choice. Heating your body is more efficient than heating the whole house, so it's logical to consider using an electric jacket or shirt for warmth right at your body. You can make your own warm shirt with an electric resistance wire, saving 99% energy and achieving instant warmth instead of waiting for the house to warm up slowly. An electric power of only 25 to 50 watts is needed on average for electric clothes, offering both comfort and energy efficiency. Consider that an average house loses 5 kW, which must be integrated by central heating otherwise. Whether you choose to do it yourself with an old shirt or purchase an electric jacket, you can start saving immediately. To purchase the best-selling product, which I took and will review in another video, please look the link in the description. With do-it-yourself, you have more freedom, and you can also make a heating solution for your chest, legs and feet. You can also let it run on low voltage if you are concerned with grid voltage close to yourself. In case of a blackout, this low-power heating solution can easily run for many hours on a battery or an inverter, or even without inverter, ensuring continuous warmth. As an afterthought, I don't say that you have to switch off the central heating totally. It might be so cold that your fingers hurt. However, decreasing the home temperature 3 degrees will save you typically 50% on fuel, and 3 degrees are easy to integrate with an electric body warmer. If you spend €700 per year on heating and save 15%, then you can repay even a purchased electric jacket in only 5 months. Think out of the box, embrace the energy transition, and surprise your friends with a unique solution and unexpected advantages. I hope you liked this introductory video. I will give the details on how I make this shirt, and also a recension, a review of this thing which I bought at Amazon. I will do that in other videos. And if you like this, please subscribe to the channel. I want to give you always useful but innovative ideas which you cannot find in the shops. And okay, I wish you good energy.